Hi, it's Miss Todoric, and today we are going to add background color to our homepage of our website. So let me zoom in. So I'm going to hold the Control and the plus key so you can see the HTML code. And then what you're going to do underneath body, I'm going to type, this is the code to add the background color. Well, first let me show you what this website looks like. So we're going to go File, Save As. To refresh your memory, we did .html in the first video. We saved it to the desktop. You're going to click on Yes. And then when you go to the desktop, you're going to double click on Index. And this is the web page we have so far. So now we're going to go to the code and you're going to type body space style equals in parentheses background color. And this is called a HEX code. So every color has a code. Make sure you want to find that particular color. And then you want to close tag body. And this is actually green. YouTube color. All right, let's see if I didn't make a mistake, if I typed it all correctly. Let's see if it works. File, save as, index.html. Save it to the desktop. And then I'm going to refresh. Oh wait, wrong page. Refresh this page, and then there we have it. So that is the background color, green. Thanks for watching.